Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today is the Rainbow Challenge. This is hosted by Kat from According to Kat. She came up with this super cute challenge, and what she did was she made a really cute video. I will link it down below if you guys want to see it. But a bunch of us decided that we would join this challenge, and then she made a video and we picked like a number, and then that was going to be our color, whatever was in the paint cup number bucket. Okay, so anyways, you guys want to watch that video, you can. I got the color yellow, so everyone is going to have a color of the rainbow, and then one person is going to have gold. You're going to be able to see because we've been posting this all over social media the past few days. I just thought this was the coolest idea. I love that we're all using different colors. I am known to do a lot of boring colors on my channel, so I cannot wait for you guys to see what I came up with for my yellow color. I will leave a playlist and everybody who is joining the challenge in the description box below, so it's going to have everybody's name, the color that they're doing, and their video. So if you guys want to click on those or just go through the playlist, either way, easy peasy. Okay, let's yes, yellow DIY video. So this first DIY, I'm using these lemons from Dollar Tree. And you might say limes, but if you look at the wrappers, it says lemons on them. So I am just going to take all these out. They came with 3 in a pack, so I had 9 total. And for $3, it is such a good deal. I actually looked to just buy lemons online, and they're like $10 for like a few of them. I don't know. I want to say like 5 or 6 of them from like Target, and I almost like bit the bullet and spent $10, and I'm so glad I didn't because I'm like, I can just paint these. So I'm just going in them with the Waverly chalk paint in white just to give it like a nice little priming coat before I went in with yellow, because obviously yellow is not going to cover this super dark green. This is the lemon color, which was convenient, and the apple barrel. Is it apple barrel? Anyways, the cheap paint from Walmart. And anyways, I'm painting every single one of these lemons. This was time consuming. This felt like it took forever. And I possibly should have done a second coat, but I kind of liked the tiny bit of green showing through, because fruit is never like 1000% perfect. Like the color, it's never like a banana isn't 100% yellow and an apple's not 100% red. There's always just like blemishes or why. I don't know why I'm even talking about fruit. Anyways, I'm making a cute little centerpiece. I have these mason jars. I grabbed these from Target forever ago, and you can also buy them at Dollar Tree, but I think it's way cheaper if you buy a 10-pack or a 12-pack from Target. It's under $1 for mason jars, which is a super good deal. This box I actually made, and I love this so much. I will leave that link in the description box if you want to check out how I made this like big centerpiece box. I used leftover wood in our garage. And this eucalyptus, I want to say it's eucalyptus. It's like a long, gorgeous looking garland that came from Target. That was a little pricey, but I've had it on my hutch for a while, and I thought this would look so cute in this centerpiece. And then I just added all the mason jars, 6 of them total, and then I'm just adding these lemons all around, and I just love the touch of yellow. I'm not a huge yellow fan, so I didn't want like big giant pops of yellow in my home just because it would look kind of funny and kind of weird. But I love the way this looks, and since I had everything except the lemons, this only cost me $3 total, and like everything I had laying around the house. But I love the way this looks, so stinking cute. This next cute fast DIY is with a garage sale find last summer. I am flinging it all around. I don't know why. I'm just using the Waverly Chalk Paint in white once again. I did 2 coats of this. I only paid 10 cents for this picture. Only 10 cents. I bought a couple of them. I did a DIY before with a different one. But yeah, 10 cents. This lady was just wanting to get rid of all of her stuff because it was like sitting in her garage. And she's like, please just take stuff. And I think everything I bought there was like 10 cents. Nothing was over a quarter. Just use my silhouette and printed off this fresh squeezed lemonade sign. I think this is so cute. I was debating on doing yellow writing, and I decided to go with the good old black and white because who doesn't like good old black and white lemons? I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't use yellow. I'm kind of like kicking myself for it, but I don't know. I like it. I like the way it looks because then I decided to go back in with yellow flowers and add this to the vase. Those flowers are from Dollar Tree. I think in the fall last spring, last year, 3 years ago. I don't know. Dollar Tree always has the same stuff every year anyways. So I'm not like, you know, oh, sorry, you probably can't get this because it was like last year's edition. No, it's probably like last year's and this year's and next year's and like the 10 following years. Like it will be at the Dollar Tree. I just kind of mix and match these. These are all the yellow flowers I had. And I really haven't been back to the Dollar Tree to look for yellow flowers. But I love how it's like the lighter colors, like the mustardy color yellows, all different kinds of yellows. These are so messy, but I think these are super, super cute. This next one is with this little chalkboard stand. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also using a free printable from Pinterest, and I will leave the link for you in the description box below. So if you guys want to print this out, it's super cute. And I'm just cutting it down to size. I kind of like pushed it down inside the frame just to see how much I'd have to cut, and then I just kind of cut around the edges. And I had to cut a little bit of this off just because I didn't cut it right, or I didn't size it right on my computer, so I had to cut some off. Anyways, no biggie. I went in with this Arteza yellow paint, and I did not like this at all. I am not a yellow person. I couldn't do it. I like had this all painted, and I was like looking at it, and I'm like, ew. I even kind of put the free printable in there, and like the yellows didn't match, and I'm like, ugh, no. So when I dried, I went back in, painted it black. What do you know? Like, ugh. You know what, and I felt good doing this. I'm not going to lie. I was like, you know, I already got some yellow on the free printable. The yellow frame is just an eyesore. It's terrible looking. It's ugly, and it was just awful. Just use some Mod Podge, and then I just Mod Podge the free printable on the back side. I didn't want to use the chalkboard side just in case we can like reuse this for something else. I actually saw Courtney from Creative on the Cheap do something similar to this in one of her videos, and I'll just link that too because I felt like I was kind of copying her. Yeah, I kind of felt that way. But anyways, super cute, and I will leave her video as well. But this is what it looks like when it is done. Super easy, so easy. I loved it. I was just getting all the bubbles out, getting all the creases out, and this turned out pretty cute. Yeah, I like it. I like the little bit of yellow. I don't know why I thought yellow would be like one of the easiest colors to do, because when I knew I got yellow, I'm like, yes, I'm so excited. I got yellow and not orange. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out all the other girls and their colors to see what they came up with. And thanks, Kat, for doing this challenge. I think it's so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. And yeah, links in the description box below, playlist in the description box below, everything in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, I would love you to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!